They always say time changes things, but you actually have to change them yourself. This is what I learned today after taking this trip.
Hey guys, my name is David Frank. Welcome back to my channel, Dave Vlogs. So it is 16 degrees in Bangalore right now, and we are on a ride. I'm actually warming my hands with the coffee. So we're off to a place called Makalidurga Fort. I actually bought a new drone, and I thought we go and shoot some shots there and start flying our drone. I hope we are allowed to fly the drone. This is my first time bringing the drone outside, and let's see how the shots goes. Yeah, guys, see y'all in the place soon.
How I decided to go to Makalidurga was just googling the best places to see a sunrise in Bangalore, and then this place appeared.
So yeah, reached the place. I had to pay 255 rupees as an entry. I'll have to trek 2 kilometers towards the top, and since I've come alone, we have only arrows like this to follow. So I'll do that. Let's go. I mean, this is my first trek officially. So yeah, see you all on top. Nice. It's crazy. I guess I would have come somewhere around 500 meters. Yeah, half a kilometer. And the path is crazy. Sorry about the breath. I'm not in my best physical form, and I'm not prepared. I was not prepared for a trek. I think I should have researched about the place more. I think I'll have to take a break. But the view, you can't complain about the view. I don't know how much this camera is able to show y'all, but it's really beautiful. So we've reached the, I guess, 0.8 kilometers. Actually tiring, guys, but I don't know. You see, this side is tiring like hell. You feel like you give up, get down. But when you turn this side, look at the view. It's worth it. I know what's and you know what's pushing me to go on top. Yeah, it's the view. I'm not giving up, guys. And I know what I'll be starting next year.
As I traveled higher, I was really thirsty and did not carry a bottle of water. But I met these amazing people who offered me a bottle of water. Couldn't thank them enough. Hope I return this favor one day to someone. That bottle of water was very, very important to me at that moment.
Guys, here I am. Here I am, guys. I reached the place. Feeling on top of the world. So, drone. Okay. Let's get them.
Take off.
Oh, he's struggling. I'm scared now. But yeah. Let's do it.
Once I reached on top and started flying my drone, I forgot everything. The hard path, the hot sun, everything, and started enjoying the view. I realized, okay, so this is how life is. We'll have to work hard to bear the fruit.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So finally done with everything. Yeah, a great experience. I mean, it's too hot and I'm wearing a jacket. Yeah, got because my bag's full. So I'm all packed. I've got some drone shots. Yeah, I was actually a bit scared to get the drone in the air because this is my first time getting it up in the air on a totally different atmosphere. So yeah, but still I managed to get some shots. Couldn't try any of the quick shots. I had to do it manually because I was scared. And DJI Mini 2 does not have sensors on the side, so yeah, obstacle avoidance is not available on the sides and the front and the back. The only available sensor is below the drone, and that's the only place you actually can expect some avoiding crash. But apart from that, yeah, I've got some shots. I think they should be good enough. Yeah, for the first time, I think this trek made me realize a lot of things, and one of that is how bad how unfit I am actually. So I'll have to get fit quickly. I think I took at least 1 hour 45 minutes to climb, and it's just 2 kilometers. So, yeah guys, we'll have to work on our fitness. Okay then, it's time to leave. Actually the hardest part of the climb as well as the descent. So yeah.
Get down there and then round this way then, yeah.
Your name?
Dheeraj.
Hi Dheeraj. It's David.
David, nice
Hi,
to meet you,
David.
David. This is
Hi.
Divya.
Hi Divya.
Hello. Wait, what are you, a blogger?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Blogger?
vlogger.
He was up there, he had a drone. He was, his drone.
What's your site?
Dave Vlogs.
On YouTube?
YouTube. Reached to the bottom of the place, right where we started. Guys, one heck of a trek. I mean, for a first trek, yeah. I mean, I'm all jeans, guys. I wish I came prepared, but anyhow, even if I would have been prepared, it would have been tiring because, yeah, you know. So, yeah, guys, I think so. The reason I came here was totally different, and what I experienced here was completely different. I've experienced a lot. I think this experience would help me in my other videos, upcoming videos. So, guys, it's time to head back to Zion, my Himalayan. Something that turned out to be a simple ride and a drone shoot became a heavy trek. So, y'all know the drill, guys. Like the video, share the video, comment on my video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification so that I get notified of my next video. See y'all, signing off.